Hello dear students. Today we will do exercise 2.3 of class 5 Maths World. Today we will solve question number first A part, question number 3 and question number 5. In question number first A part, here we have to add 60,498, 31,292 and 7,132. So for adding them, let's write the values in a place value chart. Now let's take the currency notes for 60,498, for 31,292 and for 7,132. Now on adding, since 12 ones are there, so 10 ones is equal to 110 and 2 ones are remaining. So we'll write 2 in ones column and 1 tens will write on top of tens column. Now total 22 tens are there. So 20 tens is equal to 2 hundreds. 20 tens is equal to 2 hundreds and 2 tens will remain. So 2 will write in tens column and 2 hundreds will write on top of hundreds column. Now we'll add hundreds. 9 hundreds are there. So we'll write 9 and on adding thousands, 8 thousands are there. And 9 10,000s are there. So on adding we'll write 9 in 10,000s column. So our final answer is 98,922. Now question number 3. Surjit had 20,000 with him. He bought clothes costing 13,750. How much amount was left with him? Total amount of money Surjit had 20,000. So cost of clothes he bought, it's 13,750. Now amount of money left with him, for that we'll subtract 13,750 from 20,000. Now we'll take the currency notes to solve. For 20,000 we'll take 20,000 rupee notes. Now since 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds, so instead of 1,000 rupee note, we'll take 10 hundred notes and 19 thousands will remain. Since 100 is equal to 10 tens, so we'll take 10 rupee notes instead of 100 and 9 hundreds will remain. And tens will become 10. Now we'll subtract 13,750. Since 0 ones are there, so we'll write 0 in ones column. So we'll write 0. Now remove 5 10 rupee notes. So as 5 10 rupee notes are remaining, so we'll write 5 in tens column. Now on subtracting 9 from 7. So for that we'll remove 700 rupee notes. And on removing 700 rupee notes, only 2 notes are remaining. So we'll write 2 in hundreds column. Now we'll remove 13,000 rupee notes because we have to subtract 13 from 19. So on removing 13,000 rupee notes, 6 notes of 1,000 are remaining. So we'll write 6 in thousands column. So 6,250 is our final answer. So Surjit is left with 6,250 rupees. Now question number 5 is, the sum of two numbers is 89,000 and if one number is 25,450, then find the other number. One number we have to calculate. Sum of two numbers is 89,000. If one number is 25,450, then the other number will be. For that we'll subtract 25,450 from 89,000. So to subtract, we'll write the values in a place value chart. for 89,000, we'll take 8 10,000 notes, 9,000 rupee notes. Since 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds, so we'll take 10 100 rupee notes instead of 1,000 rupee note. So we'll remove 1,000 and we'll write 10 hundreds. And since 100 is equal to 10 tens, so we'll take 10 rupee notes instead of 100 rupee note. And again the 100 rupee notes, they will remain 9. And tens notes will become 10. So now on subtraction, as 0 ones are there, we will write 0 in ones column. We'll write 0. Now we'll remove 5 tens. Note, now since 5 notes are remaining, so we'll write 5 in tens column. Now same, we'll remove 400 rupee notes because we have to subtract 4 from 9. So on subtracting 4 notes, 5 are remaining, so we'll write 5 in hundreds column. Now as we have to subtract 8 from 5, we'll remove 5 notes of 1,000 and 3 notes are remaining, so we'll write it 3 in thousands column. Now 2 notes of 10,000 we will remove. And on removing 2 notes of 10,000, as 6 notes are remaining, so we'll write 6 in 10,000s column. So the second number is 63,550. So that's our final answer. So dear students, your homework is to do question number 1 to 6 yourself in your notebooks. Bye bye students.